Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
Germany's factory orders will be released at 6 GMT. The Eurozone's producer price index at 9 GMT. Italy's retail sales at 8 GMT. The French industrial output will be released at 6:45 GMT. Singapore's retail sales at 5 GMT. Germany's factory orders at 6 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street rallied to record highs as chipmaker Nvidia rose closer to a $4 trillion valuation, and a surprisingly strong US jobs report cheered investors, who shrugged off dimming chances for a US interest rate cut this month. Crypto mining stocks logged strong weekly gains in a rally fueled by signs that a favorable macroeconomic backdrop could support the US Federal Reserve's soft landing narrative. Shares of major mining firms surged between 13 and 28% over the past 4 trading sessions. The US dollar rose against major currencies, including the yen, euro, and Swiss franc, after data showing the US economy created more jobs than expected, signaling that the Federal Reserve might take longer to cut interest rates.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair gained 1% in the last session, after a 1% intra-session dip. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. After a 1.1% dip during the last session, the Bitcoin-dollar pair closed 0.9% in the green. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold fall 0.6% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.